All right, YouTube, here we are looking at a 1983 Honda 185 ATC three-wheeler. This was actually owned by my uncle. You see right there is that 185S, so it's kind of blurry. 1983. My uncle got it new when he was a kid. He got this one. My brother got a 110. My other cousin got a 110. So that year they all got three-wheelers, and this one my uncle has had all that time and has spent most of his life kind of sitting outside underneath, not even a tarp, but underneath some like rubber padding, kind of like a tarp. My grandfather covered it up and it's been sitting there. I mean, it's probably been, at least 30 years. It's kind of just been sitting in the same place. At one point, I do think my brother took it home and got it running and then kind of gave it back to him because it hadn't been running in a while, but it's been sitting for most of his life. When they first got him, they rode him a lot, but this one, it's been sitting, it's probably since the early 90s, I would imagine. Got the plastics back here, rear plastics, some extra tires. I think I got those tires from my grandfather because he was going to try to get it going maybe about 10 years ago, maybe a little bit less. Here it is from the other side. So anyway, I sent my uncle a message today and was asking him if he'd sell it. He's been asked before by my brother and I, and today he was like, sure. So came home, got the trailer, rushed back and picked it up. So looking it over real quick, on the inside, there is a slight, you might probably sure you can't see it. There's a little bit of a coating of rust on the inside, but not terrible. The seat and the airbox cover he couldn't find just in a couple minutes from when I messaged him until I went and got it. So he said it's in the garage, so he's gonna look for those. It's gonna need new tires for sure. This thing would probably start up if I clean the carburetor and messed with it for a little bit. So that's going to be one of my first things to do, is to see if I can get it to start, and then I can smell gas just from doing that. So if I get it to start, I'm probably going to try to take this thing apart and try to clean it all up and make it look nice. So anyway, keep an eye out, because this will be one of my next projects, and hopefully maybe I can get a bunch of videos on it. It's got a lot of stuff that needs to be cleaned up, a lot of rust in some spots. The exhaust is all rusty, rims are all rusty, but yeah, this will give me a good project, something to do. All right, check back later.